Hi, I'm Kelly Brodbeck. I'm the product manager for Teledyne FLIR's Commercial UAV division, and we're at Commercial UAV here in Las Vegas, introducing our new SIRAS drone. This thing is all about the pilots, their privacy, their control, their data security. It's a great aircraft. You can be up and flying in 1 minute, 31-minute flight time. It carries a removable, swappable payload that features a powerful EO IR camera that is industry leading, amazing resolution, lots of zoom capability, and best of all, SIRAS comes in at less than $10,000. And you can learn everything you want to know about SIRAS at FLIR.com/SIRAS.